Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me again, your friend Novi. For today's video, as you can see, I have my Louis Vuitton here. This is my first ever Louis Vuitton. Before, when I was in the Philippines, I was like, I will work hard for it. I will really work hard because I really wanted to have at least one Louis Vuitton bag, only Louis Vuitton bag, because like Louis Vuitton bag is like famous bag, and famous expensive or luxury bag. We know that, but and then I was like, oh my god, hopefully, because I really love bags. I'm into bags, so I was like, oh, I really wanted to have one, but then my husband bought me one for my birthday last year. It was actually last year, and then I've actually waited for like 11 months or 1 year until I'm gonna upload this video. Actually, I already unboxed it before, like a video before, and I unboxed it just to save it for this clip, for this video I'll be making for you guys. But now I will be showing you what really looks, how the bags, how does it really looks like when you bought a brand new luxury, an original Louis Vuitton bag, because many of us, like as you could see, there are many copies, fake ones everywhere that they're selling those, but you can tell how though they pack it, how did it came with. And then now I'm gonna show you with it. So I was like, I was supposed to make this video on my birthday, which is on November, but I'm thinking why not now? So here we go. Let's watch this. So yeah, it comes with this, and then as you can see, the box itself, it is, it's a cloth one, not the ribbon, and then it goes like that. Then it goes in a box. It comes in a box like this, and then the ribbon itself. So I'm gonna show you how does it looks like. So as you can see, this is the bag, right? This is the bags of the Louis Vuitton. Some of the fake ones has boxes too, but I don't think it looks like this. Usually, I saw some other people posted like some of my, I know someone, not my friends, not someone that posted a luxury bags. Actually, the luxury ones, they don't deliver with or use with using just a carton, or and put this using this paper bag, put this in the carton and use like a regular shipping, because this is a luxurious one and this is expensive. They won't do that. um they have their own courier, or they will use the express post yellow one, and it needs to have they will ask your signature if you're gonna deliver it from it's online. But for me, I didn't bought it online. We actually went to the shop to bought this on my birthday. So yeah, I'll show you. Actually, the day after my birthday. So this is it, like that. As you can see, first, and then this is the receipt. Actually, I have to keep this. We have to keep this because if like I'm thinking, if like I'll be needing to sell this bag, this is what we need. So it's, I bought it from, yeah, it's Collins Street, Speedy 30. Yes. So that's it. They will put that one here. And then next is this one. That's the code. I'm not gonna show you, but actually, so I have this. They will give you this one. Yeah. Yep, they will give you that one. And of course, I'm gonna cover the barcode, but I'll show you. This is Speedy 30. Yep. And of course, there's the key. And this is the backs of the lock, the padlock, which is inside. So it goes here. It will go here, small one. And I will put this one here so it's safer. This barcode is very important. If you don't have this, you can't you can sell your bag, but it's cheaper. But if you have this, that means because it's your name, like my name is already there, and then they know that this bag belongs to me, just like that. I don't know. So now let's proceed. So the bag, the dust bag, it will go like this. So you can see it's crumpled already because I've been wearing this already a few times. So it's like that. And then, so as you can see, the dust bag itself, it's different. The cloth, the material of the dust bag, the material, look, that's the material of the original bag. And it didn't come on standing, or it's already been, like, it's already ready to use. It will come out like this one. So it's flattened up like this. And then we will open it. So you can see, I tried to, it's been fold, but you can't see the marks. Yeah, actually you can, but it will just go. So this is the padlock, guys. So that's the padlock, that's the key. So here there is a Louis Vuitton. This one, there's a mark. These ones, it has, and then as you can see, it's very nice. We will open it. So it's like that. And then the zip itself has Louis Vuitton. Yeah, it's both sides. Even this one here, you could see it has Louis Vuitton. This one here has LV. Yep. And this. So yeah, let's see it. I'm so happy to have my LV. Actually, I am very happy that I bought one. I finally got one. Because before I was just dreaming about having, how does it feel of having an expensive bag, thinking that, like, I'm not rich, you know. I'm not taking or showing you this bag or unboxing this bag to brag. I'm not rich. It's just I'm happy, and very blessed and very lucky that my husband was able to afford, or was able to get me one Louis Vuitton bag. And he's even asking me if I want one more bag. I said no. One Louis Vuitton bag is enough for me. Maybe if I get a chance to get one more bag, a luxury one, is maybe a different brand itself, because I am happy. This is my dream of having at least one. Actually, I was like, my dream before was having a, like, just at least a wallet or one sling bag, small bag. Actually, that was my dream before. But here we go. Lord blessed me a bigger one. Maybe because he still he will bless me. He will still bless me, or he will continue to bless me with a bigger one. Yeah. So that's all for today, guys. I will be showing you some of the videos on the way. We're walking the while on the way to the shop, and some of the picture, like a couple, like two or three pictures in the shop and in the shop and outside the shop. And I have a little bit of a video while my husband was paying at the cashier, but then I couldn't take any videos inside because we are not allowed to take videos inside. I only took a sneak video just to when the staff was putting the bag into the dust bag or showing us that this is the bag, like that. So yeah, I'm gonna show it to you while we're walking all the way on the city, on the way to in the city on the way to Louis Vuitton shop. All right, here we go.
I can still hear it, Mommy. Can you see? You know what cell phone is? Mommy, I can still hear the music.
Quiet na. Yes, at the moment we're here at Louis Vuitton.